at the Ghazipur Flower Market Gate number 1, the same place where on 14th of January the improvised explosive device was recovered from a bag, and the place you see marked here written B, this is the exact place where this bag was found, and now it is revealed that it contained 3 kgs of RDX that was sufficient to kill around 100 to 150 people. Since then, the security of not only Ghazipur Mandi has been beefed up, but the whole national capital region and the country is on a high alert. The special cell is investigating the matter. There's not been a major breakthrough since 14th of January, but one thing which is very evident and clear is the kind of explosive that was used for this particular mission that got failed is similar to the ones which have been illegally smuggled inside India from western border, that is Pakistan, and this is the similar kind of IED and explosive that are being used by ISI. So certainly what we recovered here in Ghazipur is one of the explosives that is used by ISI, and this case has close links with ISI. You can see the CCTV camera which is placed here at the gate, but the bag that was recovered with the IED is not coming in the range of that particular camera. There have been 80 CCTV footages that have been seen by the police, but yet any major link has not been found. That means a recce was done by these terrorists who had placed this IED here to disturb the peace in the country, and the police and the special cell are investigating the matter. The NIA also met the special cell officials, and the people who are already in jail with such kind of background are now being questioned. More than 40 people have been questioned in this regard. No major breakthrough, but security has been beefed up. One thing is very clear, that Pakistan supported ISI is involved in this kind of operation in the form of sleeping cell who are active in the country.
Let me now go across to my colleague Ananya, who's also closely tracking these developments. And Ananya, these are certainly startling details emerging, and possibly Pakistan link that has also emerged to the suspected IED and RDX used in this IED recovered in Delhi's market. And we also do know that the CCTV footage is being examined and 40 different people have been questioned so far. All right, we'll try to go back to Ananya shortly, but these are exclusive inputs in the Ghazipur bomb scare probe, where we are now learning that the explosives used in the IED is suspected to be part of the consignments dropped in Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir by drones from Pakistan, the seizures made in recent times, and the use of RDX in the IED found at the market certainly indicates towards the Pakistani spy agency, that is ISI's role, that is also now being prominent as per investigators. And now so far 40 different people have been questioned in this entire investigation so far. The CCTV footage from this area is also being recovered. The RDX found in this particular IED was recovered in possibly the drone that supplied it. Let me go back to Ananya. Yes, Ananya, help us understand with these latest inputs.
Well, yes, the latest input that is coming in is that Pakistan's role is coming out. The role of the secret services of Pakistan, that is the ISI, is also coming out, because remember that the consignment that was there, around 3 kgs of RDX was used into this whole sophisticated IED. And remember, Richa, that this is not a normal IED. It was a very, very sophisticated IED, which could have been made only by somebody who's an expert in bomb making, and hence the role of Pakistan comes into play. And that's why the agencies are suspecting that there could be a role of the inter-services intelligence, that is the ISI of Pakistan, in this. Apart from that, it is also being probed by the agencies that remember that various explosion packets were recovered from Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir, and hence the linkage to that is also being probed by the special cell of the Delhi police, and also by the other agency, the central agency, that are doing this probe. And in fact, it has also come to light that the CCTV footage which was scanned of the Ghazipur flower market and the nearby areas have given out no clues to the Delhi police, and it is being said that the people who were involved into the planting of this IED had done a very good recce, just like somebody who knew this whole process, and they were very familiar with the process of recceing. In fact, it is also being said that the role of sleeper cells could be also be there, and hence the probe is also into this direction. However, there is no major breakthrough that the Delhi Police's special cell could have got. Nearly 40 people are being questioned in this whole case, and we'll have to wait and watch as to what comes out later in the investigation. But
Yes.
at this point of time, it is a time
Right.
of threat, because the 26th January is just
and
around the
stay
corner.
with us, Ananya.
We have
Let me
seen-
also go across to my colleague Shivani, who's also closely tracking these developments as far as the agency's investigation is concerned. And Shivani, we also do know that there is a high alert as far as Delhi police is concerned, specifically talking about the terror threat that they are possibly facing right ahead of the Republic Day celebrations. And they have also now put restrictions on usage of drones.
Exactly, there are a number of restrictions and number of modifications this time on the occasion of Republic Day parade, because not only the Ghazipur area but the whole national capital and the whole country is on a high alert after inputs have been received and certain incidents that have been noticed, especially after the 14th January where we saw the IED was recovered by the police. There's no major breakthrough, but certainly there are indications that this particular placement of the IED is just like the modus operandi is just like ISI, and in fact the explosives that have been recovered are exactly the same explosives that were illegally smuggled into the India's boundaries from the western sector, that is from Pakistan. So the terror modules that are active in form of sleeper cells, they
Right.
are the ones who are connected, who have close
Yes.
links with this particular incident. And viewing the Republic Day parade also, there
so
are
several
certain-
links that are now emerging, Shivani, to Pakistani ISI as well. We will be closely tracking all these developments. For now, many thanks, Ananya and Shivani, for getting us the latest.